Introducing the Xiaomi 15T Pro, a device that confidently pushes the boundaries of modern smartphone technology while refining the essentials that matter most. Built for power users, content creators, and anyone who demands excellence, the 15T Pro is making headlines as one of Xiaomi's most ambitious phones to date. From its bold design and advanced internals to a camera system co-engineered with Leica, this is a flagship that deserves the spotlight. Design and build quality. The Xiaomi 15T Pro stands out immediately with its robust construction and premium feel. Measuring just 8mm thick and weighing 210 grams, the phone balances solid craftsmanship with elegant comfort. A glass front protected by Gorilla Glass 7i meets a strong aluminum frame, while a glass fiber back provides a refined grip. Rated IP68 for dust and water resistance, it can survive submersion up to 3 meters for 30 minutes and features military-inspired rigidity with 6M13 aluminium alloy and reinforced structural integrity. Whether facing daily bumps or accidental spills, the 15T Pro is built to last without sacrificing its striking aesthetics. Display experience. Turn on the Xiaomi 15T Pro, and the massive 6.83-inch AMOLED display springs to life with breathtaking clarity. With a staggering 144Hz refresh rate, 68 billion colors, Dolby Vision, HDR10+ support, and a peak brightness of 3200 nits, this screen is simply mesmerizing. The nearly borderless 19.5:9 panel delivers an immersive viewing experience, while PWM dimming at 3840 Hz ensures comfort even in low light. Corning Gorilla Glass 7i defends the display with Mohs Level 6 scratch resistance, making the 15T Pro a true companion for both creative work and entertainment under any condition. Performance and platform. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15T Pro is powered by MediaTek's latest Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, built on an efficient 3nm process. With an octa-core CPU led by an ultra-fast Cortex X925 core and the Immortalis G925 GPU, even the most demanding multitasking and gaming unfold with effortless speed. HyperOS 2, layered over Android 15, ensures a responsive, smooth, and customizable user experience optimized for both power and efficiency. This synergy of hardware and software turns routine tasks into seamless moments of productivity and play. Memory and storage. Ample memory and lightning-fast storage are hallmarks of the 15T Pro. Choose from 256, 512, or a massive 1TB UFS 4.1 module, each paired with 12GB of RAM, to guarantee smooth performance across everything from 4K video editing to heavy multitasking. While the absence of a memory card slot focuses the experience on internal storage, the generous capacities ensure that professional workflows and large media libraries never slow things down. Camera system. Photography takes center stage with the Xiaomi 15T Pro's Leica-powered triple camera setup. The 50-megapixel main sensor features a wide f/1.6 aperture and advanced phase detection autofocus, producing richly detailed shots even in low light. The 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera allows for crystal-clear 5x optical zoom, while a 12-megapixel ultra-wide delivers dynamic perspectives at 120 degrees. Recordings reach cinematic heights with 8K video capture at 30 frames per second, comprehensive 4K slow motion, and cutting-edge HDR10+ support. The selfie camera impresses with a sharp 32-megapixel sensor and 4K HDR video, ensuring every shot, front or rear, is worthy of sharing. Audio quality. Audio performances match the visual experience, with dual stereo speakers tuned for Dolby Atmos and high-res playback at 24-bit, 192 kHz quality. While the headphone jack is omitted, wireless listening is elevated with high-res wireless audio, supporting immersive sound for every playlist, call, and streaming session. Whether capturing content or consuming it, sound is rich, detailed, and impressively clear. Connectivity and features. Future-ready connectivity defines the 15T Pro, boasting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, comprehensive global navigation via GNSS, and region-dependent NFC for tap-and-go services. Additional highlights include a USB Type-C 2.0 port with OTG, support for dual nano SIM and eSIM combinations, and an infrared port for universal remote capabilities. Security feels intuitive with an under-display fingerprint sensor, while advanced sensors and the innovative circle-to-search feature round out a package brimming with smart utility. Battery life and charging. Pushing performance doesn't come at the expense of endurance. The Xiaomi 15T Pro is fitted with a substantial 5,500 mAh battery that easily powers all-day use. fast charging remains a strong suit, with 90-watt wired charging reaching full capacity in just 36 minutes, and 50-watt wireless charging providing a complete charge in under an hour. Whether at home or on the move, the device ensures minimal downtime and maximum productivity.
Final thoughts.
Xiaomi's 15T Pro is a testament to what today's smartphones can achieve. With category-leading display technology, professional-grade cameras built with Leica's expertise, heavyweight performance, and a thoughtfully rugged design, this device sets new expectations for Android flagships. It is meticulously crafted for tech enthusiasts, creators, and anyone seeking a powerhouse that never compromises on style, speed, or substance.